What's up, everybody? Happy Friday, kids, from cold Carmel by the Sea, California. Yeah. Kids, this is just an update on the case study or the campaign that we were attempting to do yesterday on research. Guys, I want to re-edify how important it is for you guys to read the terms and services of anything that you promote. I was actually, once I created the ad and finished that, I went and someone I follow was actually like creating a case study too on the same product. And long story short is, guys, you have to read the affiliate terms. This was totally on me, and the reason why I just assumed, and that's what I'm saying. You can't assume anything, guys, because I saw all these ads on Bing and Google and what have you, and 100% you cannot be. For one, you can't do any ads on Google for the product at all. And then, so I reached out. I sent them an email at like 4 something this morning. Anyway, I'll show you the exact email. But guys, I can't reiterate enough how you really have to read the terms and stuff. You don't want your ClickBank account banned or anything like that. So anyway, I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, kids. Now, this is the product that we were trying to do here. Look right here, guys. I'll leave that up for a second. So anyway, what I've done, let me show you, well, you'll see the email that I that I got from Jackie, who's their affiliate manager. But so I'm going to try a different angle on this. You can't bid on branded keywords or any of that stuff, guys. So and if I'm being honest, I really never bid on like the branded keywords or the product name. So anyway, I'm just going to go back to kind of how I once did things, and that's what makes this affiliate marketing game a little bit tougher, guys. But you can succeed in this 100%. I mean, I've done this for a long time, as you know. You just have to take a different approach, and it just requires, more keyword research, which I'm in the process of doing. And I will. I'll have my ad live in the next 45 minutes or so, and then I'll give you guys updates. As things progress, hopefully. Yeah, expect an update. If I have an update. If not, I will see you guys definitely on Monday. And as far as the giveaway, we're far off the fucking mark on that shit. But again, guys, it is what it is. I'm not giving shit away. You know what I mean? So again, we need 400 likes and 40 comments, guys. So anyway, I hope your Friday is awesome and you guys have a wonderful weekend. And I will talk to you kids soon. All right? Peace, love, and happiness.